Sony Vegas Pro error code 17 typically indicates an issue with the software's registration or activation process. This error can be caused by various factors, including incorrect registration information, a corrupted installation, interference from firewalls or antivirus software, and insufficient permissions. To resolve the issue, it is recommended to double-check the registration details for accuracy and correct entry. Additionally, checking the installation process is crucial. Uninstalling the Sony Vegas Pro software and reinstalling it from a trusted source can help avoid installation issues. Temporarily disabling any antivirus or firewall on the device may also resolve the problem, as these security measures can sometimes interfere with the registration process. To ensure the software activates correctly, it is essential to give it full permission during installation. This can be achieved by right-clicking on the software's shortcut or executable file and selecting Run as Administrator. By following these steps, the error should be resolved, and the software should function properly.